Hi there, this is Fixed It. I use quite a lot of AA batteries and have used various types, and I'm moving over now to lithium ion AA's, and this is an unboxing of a AA batteries and charger. If this video helps you in any way, please consider using the link in the description to buy me a coffee, or use the super thanks, which is the heart underneath the video. It's very well boxed. It's from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description to my store on Amazon. If you want some of these batteries. Well, a very large box for a small package. There we go, rechargeable lithium ion battery. Rechargeable battery kit. So let's have a look what's inside. So inside the box, so this is obviously the Kratax AA batteries, and there's a little user guide, box and cable. What kind of cable is it? Let me see. Okay, so it's a USB-C cable. More things are moving over to USB-C, and here are the batteries themselves. These particular batteries are 3,500 milliwatt hours. Now, one of the things you'll have noticed is that there's been a huge growth in the number of batteries, so going from 600 milliamp hours to supposedly, amazingly, 3,500. But what's going on is that the batteries haven't got larger or stronger, they've just started describing them differently. So rather than describing them as milliamp hours, they're describing them as milliwatt hours, and you need to watch out for that, because otherwise you get a battery that you think is going to be huge, that's going to last hugely longer, and you discover it's the same as previous ones you've had. So here are the batteries in a nice plastic case. I do like these cases, they're really useful, particularly if you're doing things and you do not wish to. Can I figure out how to open this one? Is a good question. Seems quite a strong. And what I'll be doing is I'll put these on charge and then we'll give them a test in some of my equipment. One of the reasons for getting these is I recently fixed a Canon image stabilized 10x30 binoculars, and I noticed that alkaline batteries seem to run out really quickly, and then rather than stabilizing they create a jittery image when you use it. So I'm hoping these will do better. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos. There are now must be nearly 600 to choose from, and if you check out my comments, I get amazingly good comments on virtually all of the videos, because all of the videos are actually fixes that I've done for myself that I've then videoed, so they're not bogus. Thanks for watching. Bye.